Hi everybody. Let us see what is hybridization and how atomic orbitals are mixing and forming 4sp3 hybrid orbitals. First we can see what is hybridization. In chemistry, hybridization is the concept of mixing atomic orbitals to form new hybrid orbitals. It is suitable for describing bonding properties. Here we are going to see hybridization in methane molecule. First, write the electronic configuration of carbon in CH4. Ground state electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. According to Hans rule, we will fill the orbitals with electrons. For hybridization of atomic orbitals, we will use valence electrons. Here 2s and 2p is the valence orbitals of carbon containing 4 electrons. While we are putting the electrons in the orbitals, we will follow Hans rule. Here in s orbital, we can put 2 electrons, and in 2p orbital, we can put 2 electrons, and the remaining we have one vacant p orbital. In excited state electronic configuration, the one electron from the 2s orbital goes to the one of the vacant 2p orbital to get a stable electronic configuration. Now 2s has 1 electron and 2p has 3 electrons. That is, the 3 electrons of 2p is in the 2px, 2py and 2pz orbitals. We can calculate the total orbitals. Here 1 2s orbital and 3 2p orbitals. That is, we have 4 sp3 orbitals. For methane, it has 4 hydrogen atoms. So we need 4 electrons from carbon in methane to bond with 4 hydrogen atoms. Resulting, we have gotten 4 sp3 orbitals. We have two types of orbitals. One is s orbital. It has a spherical shape. And another one is p orbital. It has a dumbbell shape. P orbital has 3 orientation: px, py and pz. Hybridization of methane. In general, CH4 is a combination of 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atom. However, to form this bond, the central atom, which includes 4 valence electrons, obtains more electrons from 4 hydrogen atom to complete its octet. The formation of covalent bonds get more precise when the electrons are shared between carbon and hydrogen. If we talk about the hybridization of methane, the central atom is sp3 hybridized. It is because already we have seen that the 3 2p orbitals and 1 2s orbital in the valence shell of carbon combine to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon to form CH sigma bonds, which eventually leads to the formation of methane molecule. Let's see how they are mixing. Here, atomic orbitals of carbon has 1 2s orbital and 3 2p orbitals. They are mixing together, forming 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Together, all the 4 lobes of carbon gives tetrahedral shape with bond angle 109.5 degree. Now, the 4 hydrogen atoms of methane overlap with the 4 sp3 orbitals of carbon in methane, forming 4 CH sigma bond. Calculate the percentage of S and P character in sp3 orbitals. The carbon in methane has sp3 hybridization. The percentage of S and P character in sp3 orbitals are 25% S character and 75% P character. That is, the percentage of S character is equal to, here we have only one s orbital, so 1 into 100 is for finding the percentage, divided by, we have totally 4 orbitals, 4 equal to 25, and the percentage of p character is equal to, we have 3 p orbitals, so 3 into 100 divided by totally we have 4 orbital, 4 equal to 75. Thank you.